The Little Engines Who Saved Christmas. It was December 25th on the island of Sodor, Christmas Day. And in the morning at the sheds, all the engines just awoke to find that James and Emily were not here still. Oh, what's it about? Where are James and Emily? I don't know. They were supposed to be here last night or in the evening. Oh, I'm really worried, Edward. At Tidmouth Yard, Thomas came to collect his coaches Annie and Clarabelle, and the yard manager came in. He had some important news. Ah, Thomas, there you are. Listen, I need you, Percy and Toby, to search for James and Emily. They didn't come back last night or this morning. But who will take charge of my passengers? Don't worry, Tom will take care of them. Don't worry, I'll go find them as soon as possible. That's a good engine. So with that, Thomas went off to find Percy, Toby, and Nia. I just hope poor James and Emily are okay. Thomas found the others, and together they split up to find James and Emily. Thomas and Percy soon came to the field where James had his first accident, and they saw some trucks full of presents and a green emerald engine in a snow pile. Emily? Hey guys. Oh my. What happened to you? Well, you see, I couldn't see while it was snowing hard last night because my lamp had broken. Well, don't worry, Emily. We'll get you back on the rails in no time. They managed to get Emily back onto the... They managed to get Emily out of the snow pile and onto a flatbed. Thomas took the presents to Knapford, while Percy took it to the steamworks to be checked over. Hey, thanks for getting me out of that snow pile. Anytime, Emily. Let's just hope that Toby and Nia will find James soon. Got your tender. This always happens. In the afternoon, Toby and Nia were still on the lookout for James. When they got to the line to tip Tidmouth Harbor, they saw a large snowdrift blocking the line, and they heard some noises. Shh! Hush, Toby. I think I heard something. I didn't hear it. There it is again. Listen closely. It's James. Don't worry, James. We'll get you out of there. At Knapford, Henry had delivered all of the Christmas food to the party. Thomas and Percy came in, looking very worried.
Oh, hello, Thomas. Hello, Percy. Why the long faces?
Well, you see, Henry, I don't think we're going to get the party set up on time with all the delays happening with James and Emily and the others.
Oh, hey, listen to me. You helped Emily get out of that at mess, and I'm sure that Toby and Nia will pull James out of that snowbank in no time. Somewhere. I'm sorry, I'm sorry that Gordon was teasing you about how you guys were little engines. Silly little engines. It's okay, Henry. It's not your fault. Thanks for cheering us up. Ring, 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 beep. Hello?
Thomas, we found James at the Christmas tree.
Wait, really? Where are you guys?
We're on the line down to Tipper's Harbor.
Stay there. Percy and I will be there in a jiffy. Beep. What is it, Thomas? It's Percy. Toby and Nia just found James. What, really? Yes. Where are they? They're on the line down at Timoth Harbor. Okay, let's go get the breakdown train and save James. The two best friends wasted no time and raced down the line to get the breakdown train. And they came to the large snowdrift where James was stuck. Hey guys, we're here. We brought the breakdown train with us. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, let's get James out of this snowdrift. It took some or a long time, I don't really know. Oh, but they managed to get the Christmas tree. He melted some of the snow and hooked James up to Nia. They were all ready to pull. Okay. Alright, are you all ready? 1, 2, 3, pull! They pulled and pulled and pulled. Suddenly, James started to budge. Then he budged again, and again, and again, until finally... I'm alive! Yippee! We did it! Yeah! Woohoo! Whoa! Sorry you'll have to say that. Forget you saw anything. We did it! Yeah! The engines wasted no time and raced the napper as fast as their wheels can carry them. At 4 p.m., Gordon was at Vickerstown Station, collecting all of the guests for the party. He felt very proud to be the engine doing a job like this. The guard's whistle blew, and the big blue engine set off. Poop, poop. The trip was going well, but when Gordon was just about to pass Kildane, there was a loud shh, and there was Gordon going slower and slower in a cloud of steam. His driver had to stop the train. "What has happened to me?" asked Gordon. "I feel so weak." "You've burst your safety valve," said the driver. "You can't pull the train anymore." "Oh, the indignity! Now what are we going to do?" At Knapford, all the engines were waiting for Gordon to bring the guests. When the station master came in. Guys! Whoa, hey, dude. What the heck is wrong? Gordon had bursted his safety valve outside of Kildane Station. Oh dear! What are we going to do? The party starts at any moment. Wait a second. Percy? Yeah?
Remember that time you, me, and Doug triple headed the express to the workstation? Yeah, why? Why don't we bring in Sebastian, Sophia, Samantha, Oliver, and Tom there, and we could all... 6 of us could take... I know, I have an idea. Okay. Hey, okay, so me... Okay, so there's gonna be 8 of us, alright? So, there's gonna be 6 of us. There's gonna be these 6 of us engines. 3 at the front of the express, 3 at the back of the express, pulling and pushing. And then there'll be 2 engines, it's pulling and pushing Gordon. How's that sound? Thomas, that idea is so flippin' crazy that it just might work! Come on, let's go! Ooh. And so Tom's earthly raced out to find the others. Go on, guys! Save Christmas! Oh. Why does it always have to be me that's bad luck? Huh? What's that? All the tank engines soon found Gordon, and he was very cross. Hello, Gordon. We heard you burst your safety valve again. Sorry. I'm so sorry. And we've come to help. Oh, Pa! That's no use. You guys can't pull a train in a weather like this. Oh, just you wait and see. We'll show you. And so it was arranged. Thomas, Sebastian, and Samantha will be pulling the express. That's ahead. While Percy, Tom, and Sophia will be pushing from behind. Oliver and Doug will be pulling and pushing Gordon back home. And so, with all their wheels turning and spinning, axles aching and groaning, the cattle cage set it off to save Chris. The engines felt like they were starting to get tired. They all felt like stopping for a rest, but they didn't give up. All the passengers were waving and cheering at them. This made the engine feel more determined. They raced through tunnels and bridges across the main line. When they all finally reached Natford, everyone in every engine cheered for them. And Gordon was very, very impressed. Sir Topham Hatt was on board the train. Coming back from a holiday, and was very proud of them all. Ho ho! Well done, you all! Well done indeed! It's you all managed to such a patchy on chap. Sure, how have things been while I was away? Oh, well, you see, sir, we all did well. Ready? Yes, sir, all of us. Each and every one of us, Sudrians. Well, that's good to hear. Now let's get this party started.
Hey, Thomas?
Yeah, Gordon?
Listen, I'm sorry for insulting you, Percy, Toby, and Yes. 2 days ago. I guess I got a little carried away with the whole being in charge thing.
You know what, Gordon?
What?
Remember our alliance?
Remember?
Actually, I messed up, Gordon. Sorry. You know what, Gordon? I forgive what you said.
Remember our alliance? United we stand, together we fall.
You help me, and I'll help you. Aw. Whoops. Aw. I'm so glad you guys, I made up for it. But it was the right thing to do. By the way, Thomas, look up. Wait. Up? Is that a mistletoe? Mwah! Hello? May I have anyone's attention, please? Thank you. Now then, it has once again been a successful year, and I'm proud of all of you. You all have been working on and helping those in need, especially since 2020 has begun. You've all been very useful engines once again. Hooray! The engines cheered. But I'm afraid that my time of being control on this relay is almost up, since I made a decision. So the decision is that on January 1st, 2023, I, Sir Stephen Topham Hatch, will officially retire. Aw, but we just met the guy. And who will be in charge of the NWR, you may ask? Well, everyone, give it up for my son, Sir Richard Topham Hatch. Yay! Woo-hoo! Thank you, Father, and thank you, everyone. I just want to say that it is a pleasure. It was a pleasure having you as controller on this railway, being controller of the line for 38 years. I hope you enjoy your long retirement. Thank you, Shun. I will. Everyone was sad to hear that Sir Stephen was retiring, but they all also knew that Sir Richard would do amazing, just like the other three controllers back then. Come on, everyone, let's sing a Christmas song. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thomas and all of his friends thought that this was the best Christmas adventure ever. They wonder what's in store for them next year in 2023.